Number 1.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,500. It has approximately 65,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It is finished in a burgundy exterior color complemented by a tan interior, giving the truck a classic and well-maintained appearance. The vehicle has been extensively upgraded with a 351 Windsor engine stroked to 425 cubic inches, delivering an impressive 505 horsepower and 535 lb-ft of torque. Performance enhancements include a comp cam, BM shifter, dual electric cooling fans, and an MSD ignition system, making it exceptionally powerful and responsive. Despite its high-performance build, the truck runs and drives excellently with no known issues and is fully capable of being driven anywhere with confidence. Additional highlights include cold air conditioning, brand new tires, and a comprehensive maintenance history documented in 3 binders filled with service records and receipts. According to the owner, the truck has been meticulously maintained and is ready for its next enthusiast or collector.
Number 2.
1987 Dodge D150, price $7,500. It has approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior. Powered by a reliable 5.2L V8 gasoline engine, the truck is a 2-wheel drive model and is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has been well maintained and upgraded with numerous new components, including valve covers and gaskets, an electronic HEI distributor, a carburetor, weather stripping, a windshield, wiper arms and blades, and LED headlights. Performance has been enhanced with a 1972 344-barrel intake manifold, while the suspension features 2-inch drop shackles for an improved stance. The truck also comes with upgraded door speakers and includes 2 complete sets of wheels and tires, with the current tires being new. The rear fenders have been professionally patched with steel, and the vehicle is reported to be free of any fluid leaks.
Number 3.
2000 Dodge Ram 2500, price $9,500. This truck is powered by the highly sought-after 24-valve Cummins diesel engine and has only 137,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a black exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with the engine and transmission performing as they should. It remains all original and has been well maintained throughout its life. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and all features and accessories are reported to be functioning properly. The vehicle is completely rust-free and comes with a clean Florida title in hand.
As a diesel-powered truck, it offers the durability and reliability that Cummins-equipped Dodge trucks are known for.
The only item that will need attention in the near future is a new set of tires.
Number 4.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, well-maintained 4x4 regular cab long bed pickup powered by a reliable 5.3-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has only 126,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior. According to the owner, the truck has no known mechanical issues, and everything functions as it should with no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. It runs and drives very well, providing dependable performance both on and off the road.
The body shows typical wear consistent with its age, including a few minor scratches and dings, but it retains its original paint and is completely rust-free.
Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 presents as a clean, solid, and well-cared-for truck that is ready for its next owner.
Number 5.
2002 Ford Ranger, price $5,500. The truck has 165,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, this truck presents very well for its age and offers a clean, comfortable driving experience. This Ranger carries a restored title and has successfully passed emissions and inspection requirements.
It runs and drives excellent, with the engine and transmission performing as they should.
The air conditioning blows very cold, the tires are in great condition, and the interior has been well maintained and remains in great shape.
No airbags have been deployed.
As a 2002 model, normal signs of age should be expected, but overall the truck has been kept in very good condition and is ready for daily driving, work, or personal use.
Number 6.
1987 Mazda B2600, price $6,300. It has 143,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a gray interior. It is powered by an OEM turbo engine from a 1988 Starion with approximately 129,000 miles and features a propane carb conversion and a draw-through turbo setup with a divorced throttle body. A 3D ignition system helps manage timing under boost for improved reliability. Performance upgrades include a newer 2-valve performance head with stainless steel undercut valves, port and polish work, ARP head studs, a 40mm turbocharger, and a high-capacity clutch. The truck is also equipped with premium propane conversion components, a 33-gallon tank, a 2.5-inch lift, and a 3-inch exhaust. Numerous new parts, gaskets, and seals have been installed, and the transmission, transfer case, and differentials have all been serviced with fresh fluids.
Number 7.
2001 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, powered by the highly regarded 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck has 187,000 actual miles and has been well maintained throughout its life. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup runs and drives excellent, offering dependable performance along with surprisingly good fuel economy. The vehicle is known for the reliability of its 4.3L V6 engine, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a durable work truck or a dependable daily driver. According to the owner, the truck has no known mechanical issues, no fluid leaks, and no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. All routine maintenance is reported to be up to date, and the truck comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for a smooth transfer to its new owner.
Number 8.
1997 Ford F-250, price $4,500, well-maintained full-size pickup with only 121,000 original miles. It is powered by the legendary 460 big block V8 gasoline engine and paired with an E4OD automatic transmission, which was recently rebuilt with supporting paperwork available. The truck features a green exterior complemented by a gray interior, creating a classic and timeless appearance. Equipped with auto-locking 4WD hubs, this F-250 is ready for both daily driving and off-road use. It also comes with dual fuel tanks, both of which are functioning properly, providing extended driving range and convenience. The truck has benefited from several recent maintenance updates, including new tires installed approximately 6 months ago, as well as newer brakes and a recent tune-up.
Number 9.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. This truck is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 167,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior complemented by a gray interior. It is a two-wheel drive model with a clean title and has been well maintained. According to the owner, the truck runs well, making it a dependable option for daily driving or work-related use. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater operates properly, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions.
It is also equipped with a KN air filter for improved airflow and performance. Overall, this Silverado is a solid and practical pickup truck that is ready for its next owner. Number 10.
1963 Chevrolet C20, price $9,500, finished in a tan exterior color. The truck presents exceptionally well for its age and remains remarkably straight and solid. The truck runs and drives around the yard well, although the braking system currently needs attention and should be gone through before regular road use. All electrical components are reported to be functioning properly, including the lights, wipers, and even the original radio. It is fitted with rare 17.5-inch high-clearance wheels, which add to its unique appeal. While the tires are old and show cracking, they still hold air, and replacement tires for these wheels are still available. The vehicle will also need a new fuel tank, with affordable replacement options readily available. All glass is in excellent condition, and the windows roll up and down smoothly.